In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add smoke and flame GIF effects in your Wave project. First, open your Wave project so you're looking at the edit workspace for the video you want to enhance. Make sure you're in the correct project and timeline, with your main footage already in place. This gives you the best context for choosing effects that match your scene's mood and pacing. Next, head to the Overlays and Stickers section. This is where visual accents live, including animated elements. Think of this panel as your toolbox for adding visual flair without disrupting your main footage. If you've never used it before, it's organized to help you browse, search, and preview options quickly. Within overlays and stickers, you can use GIFs for effects. GIFs are perfect for this because they're lightweight looping animations that add motion and energy. Many effect GIFs have transparent backgrounds, which means they layer nicely on top of your video without blocking your footage. Keep an eye out for that transparency since it helps the effect feel integrated rather than pasted on. Use the search bar to look for smoke. Typing smoke will surface a range of styles, from wispy ambient plumes to thick dramatic clouds. As you browse, notice how some smoke looks soft and subtle while others are more intense. If your scene is calm or moody, a light, slow-moving smoke can work beautifully. For action or impact, darker or faster smoke can sell the moment. Also consider direction and density. Smoke that drifts the way your scene naturally flows tends to feel the most realistic. Choose the smoke GIF you like. Preview a few options and compare how their tone and texture complement your footage. Look for smooth looping and, when possible, transparent or semi-transparent edges. If color is present, aim for tones that don't clash with your lighting. Cooler grays for cooler scenes, warmer haze for golden or sunset looks. Now search for flame. Enter flame in the same search area to see options that range from small flickers to large, stylized bursts. Realistic flames usually have warm gradients and organic motion. Stylized flames might be bolder or more graphic and can suit gaming, motion graphics, or title sequences. Choose the flame GIF you like. Consider scale and intensity so it supports your moment rather than overpowering it. Clean loops, clear edges, and a look that matches your smoke choice will make the two effects feel cohesive. And that's it. Done. With smoke and flame GIFs selected from overlays and stickers, your project now has dynamic visual effects ready to bring your story to life.